Hi guys, this is me Nikhil from the Three Hungry Men, and finally we are here at Coorg. We have just reached Coorg. I'm here with a couple of my friends. I'm going to show you who are they. Okay, we have Colin, we have Neha, we have Sudhindra, and the gravitizer, that is Prateek from Bangalore. And we are going to head out to have some lunch, some Coorg's authentic Coorgi food. We are done with the lunch, and the lunch was amazing. We had some akki rotis with some amazing Coorg cuisine, curries, chicken curry. Now we'll be heading to some prominent and amazing travel destinations, Coorg, tourist spots like Talakaveri. So guys, finally we are at Talakaveri, and as our expert, the Coorgi expert, Mr. Prateek Ponappa told me that Talakaveri is basically the birthplace of River Kaveri. It is about 48 kilometers from Madikeri city, and it is on the slopes of the Brahmagiri hills. Yeah, so we are going to have some amazing shots from here. And remember one thing, a tip while visiting Talakaveri: in case you are wearing shorts like we did, they are going to give you a mundu like this. They are going to give you a mundu, which even I am wearing one. Luckily, our Sudhindra, the drone master, is already wearing a pant, so he does not have to worry. And for girls, the sleeveless is not allowed, so they have to wear a jacket or something. But everything is easily available here. You can leave your footwear and they will guide you, and they will give you this mundu to wear and then go up. So stay tuned, we'll be showing more of Talakaveri. Well, finally we are done with the temple visit, and unfortunately we could not click more videos or photos of the water body because they don't allow it here. And we are done with the selfies and panoramic photography also. So let's go. So here we are at Abbey Falls, and we are climbing down the stairs to check the wonderful falls. It is one of the three most famous falls here in Coorg. And surely if you're first time traveling to Coorg, you should visit Abbey Falls. we are at Kushal Nagar at the Golden Temple. This is the Tibetan colony here. Another famous tourist attraction here in Coorg. So Kushal Nagar is about an hour 45 minutes to an hour journey from Madikeri. So we were just out of the Golden Temple and it is about 2:35 now, and we wanted to have lunch and we were searching for some authentic Tibetan food around. Unfortunately at 2:30 all the Tibetan restaurants here are closed, and luckily we found one that is called the Taste of Tibet restaurant. This is the Taste of Tibet restaurant. So Colin had a very bad experience last time. Let's see how the experience is this time. So we are finally out of the Tibetan place, and thanks to Colin for recommending the place. What all dishes did we try?
We tried tukka, we tried momos.
And we had like how many glasses of lime tea? 12, almost 12 glasses of lime tea, and Colin drank almost 3 glasses of lime tea himself. 4. Okay, so we actually had a very good experience. Everybody loved the food? Yes. Well, you can see we are at Dubbare elephant camp, but the problem is, unfortunately today it is crowded to see the elephants, but the thing is one of the elephants have gone wild and missing, and they are not letting people go near the elephants today, so that no public is hurt, and that is the reason we are just here checking out the water. We have come down a little further, and from here we'll be shooting some amazing shots. So as we could not enter and see the elephants close, but we are going to show you and try to find some elephants here with the help of Sudhindra, who's all set here. So let me reverse and show you. So as you all know, Coorg is also famous for coffee, and Neha loves coffee. When it comes to coffee, she can drink lots and lots of coffee. When we are traveling, the highest she has drank cups of coffee is 8 in a day. That is a lot of coffee, and we are going to drink some more coffee just for you.
at the Big Cup Cafe.
Even if we're hanging by a thread, and the words you said is spinning in my head. I just wanna pull you closer in this bed.